Hi, here I am towards the ISKCON temple and let's see the history of the temple. ISKCON was founded at the New York in 1966 as the Hare Krishna movement by Swami Bhakti Vedanta Prabhupada to spread the teachings of Lord Krishna. This temple was planned on a 7-acre wasteland on this hilly rock. The construction began in the year 1990 and was inaugurated in 1997. It has the deities like Radha Krishna Chandra, Krishna Balarama, Nitai Gauranga. Here you can see the Garuda, Lord Venkateshwara and Narasimha Swami. ISKCON became a major cultural and a spiritual center which attracts many visitors and pilgrims. The Akshaya Patra Foundation began a midday meal program in 2000. Now, almost 2.1 million children enjoy this scheme.